Hi, welcome to Balance Unleashed, your go-to channel, and today we're diving deep into the science and surprising benefits of cold showers. Are they just a trendy wellness hack, or could they actually transform your physical and mental health? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why millions of people are embracing the chill, and how you can too. Imagine you start your day with a jolt, not coffee, not energy drinks, a cold shower. It's a simple act, yet it holds the power to transform your entire day, your outlook, your life. Imagine sharper focus, enhanced mood, resilience that seems to deflect stress. This is the power of cold showers. Many shy away from the initial discomfort. But within that discomfort lies incredible potential. It's about pushing past perceived limitations, embracing the shock, and emerging stronger, both physically and mentally. This isn't just about showering, it's about unlocking a stronger, more resilient you. Are you ready to unlock that power? To conquer the cold and in turn, conquer your day? The journey starts now. Let's dive in. The benefits of cold showers aren't just anecdotal, they're backed by science. For centuries, people have turned to cold water for its invigorating and health-boosting properties. But what does modern science say about this age-old practice? Let's dive into the research and uncover the proven benefits of cold exposure. Research shows that cold exposure can significantly impact our physical and mental well-being. From boosting our immune system to enhancing our mental clarity, the effects are profound. When you expose your body to cold temperatures, it triggers a series of physiological responses that can lead to long-term health benefits. Studies published in journals like PLOS One have found that regular cold showers can boost the immune system. This is because cold exposure stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. In one study, participants who took daily cold showers had a noticeable increase in their white blood cell count, making them more resilient to illnesses. Participants taking cold showers for 30 days had a 29% reduction in sick days compared to the control group. This significant decrease in illness days highlights the potential of cold showers as a preventive health measure. Imagine the impact on your productivity and overall well-being if you could reduce the number of days you spend feeling under the weather. The reason? Cold exposure activates the sympathetic nervous system, increasing the production of white blood cells that fight disease. This activation also leads to the release of norepinephrine, a hormone that plays a key role in reducing inflammation and pain. So, not only are you boosting your immune system, but you're also helping your body manage stress and recover more efficiently. Cold showers can also enhance circulation and reduce muscle soreness. When you expose your body to cold water, your blood vessels constrict and then dilate, which helps to improve blood flow. This process can be particularly beneficial for athletes or anyone who engages in regular physical activity, as it aids in muscle recovery and reduces the risk of injury. A study in the Journal of Athletic Training showed that cold water immersion after intense exercise helped reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. This is because the cold temperatures help to constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling and promoting faster recovery. Athletes have long used ice baths as a recovery tool, and now science confirms their effectiveness. This is because cold temperatures constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling and promoting faster recovery. The constriction of blood vessels helps to flush out metabolic waste products from the muscles, which can accumulate during intense exercise. By reducing inflammation and promoting better circulation, cold showers can help you bounce back quicker from physical exertion. The evidence is clear. Cold showers are a simple yet powerful tool for improving your health. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, enhance your mental clarity, or speed up muscle recovery, incorporating cold showers into your routine can offer a range of benefits. So, the next time you step into the shower, consider turning the temperature down and reaping the rewards of cold exposure. If you're fascinated by the connection between cold exposure and mental health, I highly recommend checking out the Wim Hof Method by Wim Hof himself. This book dives deep into his revolutionary approach to using cold therapy, breathing techniques, and mindset shifts to unlock peak performance and resilience. You can find the link to this book in the description below. Trust me, it's a game changer if you're ready to take your wellness journey to the next level. Don't just take my word for it. The stories you're about to hear are from real people who have experienced remarkable transformations in their lives. These are not isolated incidents, but a testament to the incredible potential that lies within each of us. People from all walks of life have experienced the transformative power of cold showers. From students to retirees, from artists to engineers, the benefits are universal. Cold showers have been a catalyst for change, helping individuals break through mental barriers and achieve new heights. World-renowned athletes, entrepreneurs, and everyday individuals have incorporated this practice into their routines and reaped the rewards. Athletes have reported faster recovery times and improved performance, while business professionals have noted increased focus and productivity. Even those who simply want to improve their daily lives have found cold showers to be a game changer. Tony Robbins, a peak performance coach, starts his day with a dip in a 57-degree Fahrenheit pool. This isn't just a routine for him, it's a cornerstone of his philosophy on achieving peak performance. By challenging his body and mind first thing in the morning, he sets the tone for a day filled with energy and clarity. He attributes his increased energy levels and mental clarity to this daily ritual. Robbins believes that the discipline and resilience built through this practice spill over into other areas of life, making him more effective in his work and personal endeavors. Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman, has popularized the benefits of cold exposure through his breathing techniques and ice baths. His methods have been scientifically studied and have shown to improve immune function, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. He's climbed Mount Everest in shorts and run a marathon in the Arctic Circle, all thanks to his ability to withstand extreme temperatures. Hof's extraordinary feats are not just about physical endurance, they are a testament to the power of the human spirit and the potential that lies within us all. These individuals prove that the power of cold showers extends far beyond mere physical benefits. It's about pushing your boundaries and unlocking your full potential. The mental fortitude developed through this practice can help you tackle challenges in all areas of life, from personal goals to professional aspirations. It's about pushing your boundaries and unlocking your full potential. Whether you're looking to improve your physical health, boost your mental resilience, or simply start your day with a burst of energy, cold showers can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. The stories of these extraordinary individuals serve as a reminder that we all have the capacity to achieve greatness, one cold shower at a time. Before we move on, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you're learning something new today. And if you want more tips like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Section 4. Boosting your body's defenses: cold showers and the immune system. Cold showers have been a topic of interest for many health enthusiasts and researchers alike. But what exactly do they do for our immune system? Let's explore. Let's delve deeper into the immune-boosting benefits of cold showers. The idea of stepping into a cold shower might send shivers down your spine, but the science behind it is fascinating. Remember those white blood cells we talked about? These cells are crucial in defending our bodies against harmful pathogens. They act like soldiers, always ready to fight off invaders. They are your body's first line of defense against infections. When you expose your body to cold water, it triggers a response that can enhance the activity of these white blood cells. Cold showers act as a signal, a wake-up call to your immune system, increasing the production of these vital cells. This boost in white blood cell count can help your body respond more effectively to infections. Think of it as a training exercise for your immune system. Just like how athletes train to improve their performance, your immune system can be trained to become more efficient. By exposing yourself to controlled stress like a cold shower, you're essentially making it stronger and more adaptable. This process is known as hormesis, where a little bit of stress can lead to greater resilience. This means you'll be better equipped to fight off those pesky colds and infections that can derail your day. Imagine going through the winter season with fewer sick days and more energy. So the next time you step into a cold shower, remember that you're not just rinsing off the day. You're engaging in a practice that has been shown to have numerous health benefits. You're fortifying your body's defenses and building a more resilient you. Embrace the chill and let your immune system reap the rewards. For those looking to explore the broader benefits of cold exposure and its role in longevity, check out Blue Zones by Dan Buettner. While not solely focused on cold showers, this bestseller explores lifestyle habits from regions around the world where people live the longest. And guess what? Many involve daily practices that push comfort zones, including cold exposure. Again, you'll find the link to this book in the description. These resources will give you even more tools to thrive physically and mentally. Section 5. A jolt for your mental game: how cold showers enhance focus and clarity. Cold showers aren't just good for your body, they're incredibly beneficial for your mind as well. That rush of cold water acts as a shock to the system, instantly increasing your alertness and focus. Remember that feeling when you're feeling sluggish and then someone throws a bucket of cold water over you? It's the same principle. Cold showers stimulate the release of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that increases focus and attention span. This boost in mental clarity can be incredibly beneficial for those early morning starts when you need to be firing on all cylinders. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, allowing you to approach your day with renewed focus and energy. So are cold showers worth the hype? Based on the science and countless success stories, I'd say absolutely. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your mood, or simply challenge yourself, this simple habit has the power to change your life, one shiver at a time. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living healthier and happier. And if you decide to try a cold shower, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it goes.